An event in 2013 put the world in chaos when hackers stole the card details of 40 million customers, along with the personal information of 70 million customers, like names, addresses, and phone numbers from Target's database. The hackers got their hands on this vast amount of sensitive data by installing malware on Target's point of sale systems. This is just one example of thousands of cybercrime activities occurring today. Even the most prominent organizations are only able to secure their systems partially. Such is the situation of cybercrimes today. According to recent events and future predictions, cybercrimes worldwide will cost organizations a whopping $10.5 trillion, coming from $3.5 trillion in 2015. And there's only one way to eliminate the chances of these crimes, that is by implementing a solid wall of cybersecurity. And that can be done by hiring more efficient cybersecurity professionals. That's why the demand for cybersecurity professionals in the cybersecurity industry is growing rapidly, with over 90% employment rate. If you also want to have a secure and rapidly growing career in the future, then cybersecurity is the right option for you. But how to do that exactly? Well, hey everyone, here I am with a new video of Simplilearn on the best cybersecurity courses that will help you gain perspective towards how you can build your career in cybersecurity and what courses will be best suited for you. Before we begin the courses, if you enjoy watching these videos and find them interesting, please subscribe to our channel because we bring the best videos for you daily. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new video. Let's take a look at what's in the video. We'll start this video by understanding cybersecurity, and then we'll see why cybersecurity is the future. Following that, we'll take you through the salary insights of a cybersecurity expert, and we'll then take you through all the courses offered by Simplilearn. You can choose from many courses as per your needs and convenience. Each course offered by Simplilearn has its perk and is designed to bring the best out of the learner. So without any further ado, let's start with what cybersecurity is. Cybersecurity is the process of protecting our devices, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. This includes everything from your personal email account to large corporations and government agencies. There are many types of cyber threats, including viruses, malware, phishing attacks, and hacking attempts. These threats can lead to severe consequences such as identity theft, financial loss, and even national security threats. So, how can we protect ourselves from these threats? The first step is to educate ourselves on the different types of threats out there. We must know what to look for and how to avoid falling victim to cyber attacks. This includes things like creating strong passwords, being wary of suspicious emails or messages, and regularly updating our software and security settings. Another critical aspect of cybersecurity is using the right tools to protect ourselves. This includes things like antivirus software, firewalls, and encryption. These tools can help us detect and prevent cyber threats before they cause damage. So let's move ahead and we'll now see why cybersecurity is the future. Cybersecurity is the future because cyber attacks are increasing. Everything is connected and there's a growing need for skilled professionals, and the importance of data protection is crucial. According to Cybersecurity Ventures, the expected cost of cybercrimes will be 10.5 trillion US dollars. The Internet of Things is on the rise. Everything is interconnected, making it vulnerable to cyber attacks. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is increasing, and it's estimated that there will be 2.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs by 2025. Moving ahead, let's discuss the salary insights of a cybersecurity expert. According to Glassdoor, the national average salary of a cybersecurity specialist is 11,83,000 in India, with additional cash benefits depending on the companies hiring you. The average salary of the same cybersecurity specialist in the United States can go up to $85,000 annually with additional cash compensations. Other cybersecurity jobs like ethical hackers can earn up to 7 lakhs annually in India, while the same job designation in the United States can get you around $88,000 annually. So let's see which courses are related to cybersecurity and can bring the best out of the learner. The first course in the list is the Cybersecurity Expert Master's Program. The Cybersecurity Expert Master's Program is a highly sought after program that equips individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the fast growing field of cybersecurity. This program comprises of 4 comprehensive courses designed to provide individuals with the foundational and advanced knowledge and skills in cybersecurity. The courses includes Introduction to Cybersecurity. This course provides a foundational look at today's cybersecurity landscape and equips individuals with the tools to evaluate and manage security protocols in information processing system. CompTIA Security Plus. This certification training is globally recognized and covers network security and risk management principles. CEH Certified Ethical Hacker. This course trains individuals on the advanced step-by-step methodologies that hackers actually use, such as writing virus codes and reverse engineering. CISSP Training. The Certified Information Systems Security Professional Certification is considered the gold standard in information security. Overall, the Cybersecurity Expert Master's Program is an excellent investment for individuals looking to pursue a career in cybersecurity or advance their current career in this fast growing field. The program provides individuals with comprehensive approaches and skills that will help them become accomplished cybersecurity professionals. You can also get a discount by using our coupon code YTBE15. You can find the link for the same in the description box as well. You'll get a free exam voucher for CEH certification, saving a lot of your money and preparing you for the program along with the exam voucher. The second program in the list is the postgraduate program in cybersecurity. By enrolling in this postgraduate program in cybersecurity, you will gain knowledge and expertise in safeguarding your infrastructure and securing data. This postgraduate program in cybersecurity will cover all the necessary cybersecurity skills like advanced hacking concepts, network packet analysis, ethical hacking, IDs, firewalls and honeypots, security and risk management, network security, software development security, and many more. Not only that, but this program can also get you hired by top companies like Microsoft, IBM, Deloitte, VMware, Oracle, and many other tech giants. You'll also get to attend online interactive masterclasses conducted by the instructor from MIT SCC and gain insights about advancements in cybersecurity and understand the essential skills needed to become an expert in this rapidly growing domain. The next program in the list is the Advanced Executive Program in Cybersecurity. You can enroll in the Advanced Executive Program in Cybersecurity and enhance your career prospects by becoming a skilled industry professional in 6 months. This program offers an immersive learning experience emphasizing practical applications, making it ideal for those seeking a more rewarding career change. By joining the Advanced Executive Program in Cybersecurity, you'll acquire advanced knowledge in defensive cybersecurity, malware analysis, application security, ethical hacking, and more. Offered in collaboration with IIIT Bangalore and NPCI, this cybersecurity program equips you with the comprehensive expertise required to identify potential opportunities and innovation in cybersecurity sector. The global cybersecurity market size stood at $112 billion in 2019 and is projected to reach $345 billion by 2026. So now is the time to make a career in the field of cybersecurity. And this advanced executive program in cybersecurity can help you bag a whopping salaried job. Companies like Ernst & Young Private Limited, Amazon, Microsoft, Bosch, Samsung, IBM, and Cisco are actively looking for certified cybersecurity expert. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now. Link is in the description below. The next program in the list is the Professional Certificate Program in Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing. Simplilearn's professional certificate program in ethical hacking and penetration testing is a comprehensive course designed to help individuals gain the skills and knowledge needed to become an expert in vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. This program is an excellent choice for individuals looking to enter the cybersecurity industry, security professionals, network administrators, or anyone looking to upgrade their cybersecurity skills. One of the key advantages of this program is that you will learn more about the concepts, consequences, distinctions, and limitations of ethical hacking in this course. The extensive curriculum covers a wide range of topics, including the principle of ethical hacking, reconnaissance tools, footprinting techniques, network scanning, IDF firewall evasion techniques, vulnerability risks, social engineering, SQL injection, web server attack methodologies, and more. In addition to the industry recognition, the program also offers participants access to a community of like-minded professionals, providing an opportunity to network, share ideas, and learn from each other. In conclusion, Simplilearn's professional certificate program in ethical hacking and penetration testing is an excellent choice for individuals looking to enter or advance their career in ethical hacking. With its comprehensive curriculum, industry recognition, and community support, this program is sure to provide participants with the skills and knowledge needed to tackle the challenges of the future. The last course in the list is the Caltech Cybersecurity Bootcamp. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a cybersecurity specialist in the United States is around $100,000. So, if this salary figure amazed you and you also want to become one, then you can also kickstart your career as a cybersecurity professional through this Caltech Cybersecurity Bootcamp and gain the skills and experience required by organizations to protect their critical systems and sensitive data from cyber attacks through real-world projects in 26 weeks. By enrolling in this Caltech Cybersecurity Bootcamp, you will gain proficiency in a range of areas related to defensive and offensive cybersecurity, digital forensics, penetration testing, infrastructure design, and other related subjects. The program curriculum, labs, and assisted practices provide exposure to various popular cybersecurity tools that are currently in high demand. The key benefits of enrolling in this course includes up to 26 continuing educational units and a Caltech CTME Circle membership. Simplilearn's career service will also help you get noticed by top hiring companies like Netflix, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and many more. On completion of this cybersecurity bootcamp by Simplilearn and Caltech CTME, you will gain a completion certificate as well. So, for admission to this bootcamp in cybersecurity, candidates should have 18 years of age and have a high school diploma. Basic understanding of programming concepts and mathematics can add more to your skills. If you don't have any job experience, don't worry, there's no need for the same. So well, that's a wrap on our best cybersecurity courses for beginners. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. By now, you should have a good understanding of the different types of courses you can take up to master the field of cybersecurity. If you are interested in learning more about cybersecurity, there are plenty of resources available online. You can also check out our website for more information on cybersecurity training and certifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.